How to use Kombai AI coding agent. So to use Kombai AI, so after you install the extension in VS Code, Cursor, or Windsurf, you must sign into your account. Then you can open the Kombai extension. Then you can now start to provide the design. So basically, just provide an open Kombai. You can select a mode, which is the code mode or the as mode. Now for the code mode, you can generate code from a design, text prompt, or image. Then for the as mode, you can use it for searching and understanding your existing code base or asking general front-end questions. Now to provide input. So for a code mode, you need to add a Figma link, a text description, or an image as your input. Now for the as mode, simply just type your question in the prompt box. Then just send and review. So basically says send or submit your request, then Kombai generates an editable plan which you can review and approve. Now after generating and reviewing the code, you can now start and approving the generated plan, which Kombai will begin the coding. Then the agent then run a local preview of the generated code. Then you can review and preview, then save the code to your project files. Now for its key features, it can do planning, previews, Figma integration, and repo understanding.